Hello, welcome to another Design and Flow video. I'm Val, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit some of the different aspects of buttons for your WordPress website in Elementor. Let's get to it. Once you are in the Elementor editor, you can edit your button by first clicking it here, and this will bring up the edit button. So a couple things you may want to do here. If you go to content, this is where you can change the text that the button says. Like so. You can change the link the button will take you to right here just by simply copying and pasting the link that you would like it to take the viewer to. You can change the size of the button here. And then if you like the changes and you want to save them, remember Elementor does not automatically save, so you have to go into the top right corner where it says publish in this pink box and click that to save. You can edit the colors of the button by going to style here, and there's two kind of colors. There's the normal, and then when your cursor's on it and it hovers, it can also change colors. So to change the default colors when you're not having a cursor on it, you would head to text color here, and of course you can just select whatever color you want that way. Or if you have global colors, you can select them here. You can change the color of the background here, once again, by putting in the hex code or going to whatever color you want, or using global colors. To change the hover colors, you would click hover right here. And text color, you'd usually want it to be opposite of what it is when it's not hovered. So here, when it's not hovered, it's white. So I probably want to do a little bit of a darker color, which we've got here with this teal. For example, you could do something like this. You can see it changes when you hover. So it's a little difficult to see when I have the button selected, but when I hover, there's actually a teal box here. And if you want to make it thicker to where you could see it, this you can change the border width. And there's a couple options design wise that you can change to make it grouped or maybe make it dotted. I'm going to keep it solid for now and change it back to 1. Once you are done editing your button, you will save everything by hitting publish in the top right corner, and this is how you change some of the basic elements of your button. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.